From the beginning of civilization, cutting-edge technology and mechanisms have always separated the best from the rest. These not-so-visible filtration processes are always in the background, making the best products for society. With our world-class machinery and mastery in sieving and filtration processes, Galaxy Sivtek has become the leading choice since 1991. Since its inception, our advanced made-in-India technologies and engineering have been silently supporting numerous indispensable industries. The art of complex engineering and screening processes can be relied upon in your daily life as our products help to build the food and chemical industry, paper and ceramic industry, mineral and metal industry, and also plastic and polymer. Screening machines are now the most important aspect of any product manufacturing unit. This has enabled us to establish our presence across India and spread our wings in the form of technical centers all over the country, along with more than 100+ other countries worldwide. The quality of our machinery is one of the pillars of our success, which we achieve through our advanced engineering, attention to detail, skilled resources, and creativity. For all types of material, we provide customized solutions for all categories of screening machines with unrivaled support and reliability. The most important part of a manufacturing company is to offer exceptional sales and service support. Our worldwide after-sales service is one of the best in the industry. We also have one of the biggest in-house test facilities and provide extensive all-India customer site trials, thus helping clients globally to evaluate and get the best product according to their requirements. Our efficient R&D and in-house design department constantly set up new standards for dry and wet screening. We are renowned for our genuine parts for the machines, which enables us to provide the best screening facilities in the industry. In the state of Gujarat, we have a huge manufacturing unit spanning 150,000 square feet, equipped with advanced technologies and machinery to deliver the best products. Our happy and efficient workforce constantly upgrading their skills, and this helps us to achieve our goals. We believe that environment is a gift of nature, and we take all measures to conserve it. We have installed a modern sewage treatment plant to ensure water conservation and have our own solar system that covers all our energy needs for today and tomorrow. Galaxy Sivtek. As a company, we grow every day in the screening world, keeping our world in motion in everyone's daily life.